Compared to last year, we had 17% increase in exhibition space, 12% increase in exhibitors. If you look at the market in the MENA region, we expect an overall increase of about 50% in the coming 5 years. And the way we estimated, the Automechanika will grow in the same pace.
It's a very good platform for launching of new products. We have been displaying our Radial range for the grader, for the earth mover, and for the forklift material handling equipment.
There are a lot of shows happening, but the quality of Automechanika is by far very superior. And to participate in this show, we get tagged into the quality product and premium range. And that's why we are participating. The numbers this year is up at the Automechanika show, and that's a good sign. Our tie-up with Automechanika is only going to get stronger, and we are very happy with the presence of this show.
This is our second appearance at Automechanika. We're very excited this year to display all our products range for tyres and batteries primarily. So we're looking forward to meeting new distributors and new potential clients.
FILDEX is doing here retrofit of air conditioning units for different type of buses, and we're maintaining 1,500 buses with RTA and DOT on the air condition side.
Automechanika was one of the exhibitions that we were always visiting for over the years. This is the platform that we come here to see the new developments. And then over the years we realized that okay, the most of the auto market is available here, okay, then why not the major component of a bus should be here. And the first 2 days were really excellent. We had a lot of positive inquiries because the visitor, they were not expecting that the major supplier of a bus will be here. And so for them it was a real good opportunity. We are overwhelmed with the response what we got it here.
We have 22 official country pavilions presented at Automechanika Dubai, and of course, again, as I said, 59 countries presented at the show. These country pavilions are ranging from US to Germany, from Germany to India, from India to Pakistan, from Pakistan to Turkey, France, and it's a very international show. Actually, 90% of our exhibitors are international.
We are in the automotive, tires, batteries, tire trading, rubber products business. We have been exhibiting in the Automechanika show from the very start. We are having great expectations from this show because this show gives us a platform to get more and more customers, more and more suppliers.
So we are looking at an exhibition with 1,900 exhibitors. We have the support of 37 trade associations worldwide. Which makes it one of the most important shows when it comes to automotive aftermarket. If you're looking at the segments, we started with spare parts, and nowadays we have spare parts, tires, batteries, tuning section, and since this year we have a lubricant section as well, which is one hall purely dedicated to lubricants. We have, but it's spread through the exhibition, 85 exhibitors in the car wash industry. Which is quite remarkable because worldwide there's only about 100 players, so we're talking about 85% of that market is already represented. So all in all, a really good show.
We are importing from Japan and re-exporting to the Middle East and Africa and many different countries in the world. It's our second year to join Automechanika. We think there is many benefits. We have many high expectations and we hope it will give us the things we need.
We have been participating at Automechanika Dubai shows 5 years in a row with all our subsidiaries, which are Hardex Brakes Canada, Ecobrex Parts and FILDEX. Dubai Automechanika is definitely one of the most attractive show in the region. It's been very successful. The reason is the show has been organized very well, and there are many customers, many clients coming from different parts of the world. including the whole Middle East and North American countries.
We had last year 205 companies from UAE, and we were able to grow that with 20%, and now we have 245 participants, which is actually the fastest growing country participating in the Automechanika. If you participate in the show in Dubai, the population that you're targeting is the biggest ever in the world. Not because of Dubai, but because of the import-re-export hub Dubai is representing. And the way our shows are visited is from the Middle East, North Africa, plus Indian region. And with that you unlock 2.5 billion population. So it's a very important show for whoever would want to participate here.
As an ACDelco brand with a very heavy heritage behind this product and this brand, what we are here for is to emphasize on the strength of this brand, focusing on many of our products, mainly batteries, oils, lubricants, and the newly introduced window film product.
AWR Group is a 40-year plus group in the UAE. We are here in the Automechanika for the second time. We are presenting the benefits of genuine parts to create a customer awareness and to highlight the benefits of genuine parts vis-a-vis the counterfeits in the market. We also have on display in the Automechanika this time Amaron brand of batteries, maintenance-free batteries, ELF brand of lubricants, and we also have the SEAT and the FILDEX brand of tires. We have had a very good experience last year, and this year it has been a very good response for us. We have good benefits from the Automechanika, and we strongly recommend Automechanika for all people in the automotive industry, in the parts and the aftermarket business.
Mineral Circle Bearing have been participating in Automechanika for more than 5 years. We have been the gold sponsor for more than 4 years. This year we are introducing a new brand to the UAE market. It is the SNR bearings, widely known in Europe. Automechanika can bring all the stakeholders together. We see that there is a growth of number of visitors.
Our main market share is in Africa and Asia, and we are exploring our business into European region also.
We have put in place since 2 years is a matchmaking program, which is free of charge. And that means that a visitor, before they come to the exhibition, they can go online. They can search for the products that they are interested in, because not everybody is interested in everything that is on the show. With their search results will be certain companies that are trading or manufacturing these products. They can make online appointments with these companies, and by the time they come to the exhibition they have a full program of appointments, making their visit more efficient. They don't have to wait, they don't have to search, they know where to go. And we see since 1 year, since the system is fully in place, that the revisit of visitors is declining. So usually they would cover a show like this maybe in 3 days. Now they can do it in 1.5 days. So the efficiency is increasing. It's important to know. About 25% of the visitors are local, 75% are international visitors. Dubai is the only exhibition where exhibitors and visitors are sitting next to each other in the airplane to come here. So.
Our participation here to display our product, which is Kia and Hyundai genuine parts. Our focus over all the visitors to educate them and try to explain to them the genuine parts and how to differentiate between genuine and non-genuine parts. It is the phenomena destination for automotive. Everybody know the Automechanika. That's why we feel it is very important to be here in the last year and this year. I think also the next year will be here in 2016.
It's a wonderful show. We have the different type of technologies, forging, casting, rubber parts, blow molding, injection moldings, and we are PAPAM members are exporting almost 57 countries all over the world, and we are following the technologies and European, American standards and Japanese standards. This show is organized excellent, and hopefully next year we will present here with the huge PAPA members.
It's a conference about commercial vehicles. You have to look at it two ways. One is we have an amazing support from the Dubai Customs, and this morning they shared the statistics of what is going on in the UAE and in the MENA region. Think about transport, import, re-export, truck traffic on the roads, etc. And second part is the smart trafficking in commercial vehicles, maintenance, safety, and all that kind of things. It's a very niche conference. I have to say that it's the 4th year that we run it, and it always has an extremely good audience.
We are very glad to be here, sharing our experience, meeting our partners and other operators. We are going to have a new system, automatic defect detection, help us on the roadside inspection to do our work, and to help also the operators to reduce the load over them, and help us to target the non-compliance operators and non-compliance vehicles.
This year, commercial vehicle is one of the category which is fastest growing in the region. So this conference objective is to educate the industry. So we have almost 8 to 10 presentations today, which are only focusing on commercial vehicle, that provides information about the numbers of vehicles which are getting operational in the market today, the spare part market in overall, talks about regulation, talks about what kind of regulatory changes going to happen in the future. And in the second session, we'll be talking about tires, we'll be talking about lubricants, how that market is growing in near future.
It is the digital marketing strategy that we've already put in place many years ago. Partners like Exhibitors TV are very important for that, because you can give a look and feel on what the show is about, what do we reach, who do we see, what does it look like. So very important, and I think we will be more and more integrated partners as we grow together.
It's a great opportunity for Exhibitors TV, I believe, to showcase what's happening here to around the world. So whoever cannot be at this time in Dubai, they can witness the growth and the success of Automechanika Dubai. So I think you're doing a great job bringing what's here to there simultaneously.